What are you expecting, actually, from the Fed? 25 basis point cuts, and then we have a bigger idea of what happens next?
I think you're going to get 25 basis point cuts. You could get some dissents here because you've had signals for 50 basis points from a few of the governors. But 25, I think, is really done after the August employment report came out. It became very clear that they're going to really take a look at the employment mandate. But I would just still emphasize that inflation remains sticky here. So I do think it's 25 basis points.
Joyce, I mean, we understand. I mean, it's a little bit odd also because you have Stephen Mirren, who just got confirmed, but he doesn't have a dot because I think they were done before, so there's no time to put it in. Are we going to have a three-way descent that murks the picture of what the U.S. economy looks like?
I think you will have some dissents in this one because 25 basis points is the way that I think that they will go. But that's not unexpected in the marketplace. That seems to me that it's been signaled for the last couple of weeks. But I think the market is looking at the labor market slowdown right now and that we have a jobless expansion. When we look at the numbers globally, it's actually some of the lowest job growth that we've seen globally since about 2011. So I don't know if the market's going to really focus so much on the descent. They're focusing on a shift from inflation to the employment mandate. But still, that inflation remains high here, so you can't really go that aggressively.
So what are you seeing in actually the jobs market? Again, if you look at the private sector remains pretty healthy, but then those numbers were ugly.
Yeah, well, I mean, there is the immigration factor as well, and then there's the slow job growth. And it is an expansion that is really fueled by a lot of the fiscal and business investment that's going on rather than the job gains. And so I think that you will see that the 25 basis points and subsequent cuts are something that the market very much is anticipating. And I don't think you're going to see a huge change in the dots here because 4.3% unemployment, the 1.4% growth is really where we're tracking right now.
What are you expecting after today?
So we think that you're still going to get 25 basis point cuts at the subsequent meetings, but looking at about 100 basis points in total. So, I mean, that's still relatively moderate as far as what we're looking for in the cycle.